Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a fall leaf surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our fall leaf surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to line up the corners of my paper and give it a nice fold right down the middle. Then I'm going to fold it one more time, line up my corners, and give it another nice fold. Now when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing, and I can open up like this for a really fun surprise. Now to start off with this, let's begin right here, and I'm going to make a big leaf. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and then down. Then I'll come up and down again. And then we'll go up here and come down. I'll do the same thing on this side. Just go up and down right to here. Now underneath the fold, we'll go down and then we'll come up and down for another little point. And I'll do that same thing here, just down and then a little point. Then I'm just going to connect the leaf like this. Starting here, I'm going to draw two curved lines. And then I'm going to connect these curved lines with an oval for the end of the stem. Now right here I want to give the leaf a face. So I'll make two circles for the eyes. So we'll make one here, and then I'll make one right over here. I'll make a dot inside each one for the pupil. Then I'm going to make a line across. Then a line that goes down and up. Then a little curved line across for the tongue. Now my next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now once I open this up, I have two halves of my leaf. So the first thing I want to do is I want to start down here. I'm going to begin by drawing a line that comes up and down and then up and down. And I'll do the same thing over here, just come up and then up and down. I'm going to curve this leaf over here to a point, and I'm going to bring it down here. Now, I'm going to give this leaf kind of like a little happy face with closed eyes. So I'm going to draw a line that comes in and then back out. And then I'll do the same thing, in and back out. I'll make a line that comes across and then down. Then I'll make a line that's going to curve down and then up to here. I'll curve this line down and then bring a line down here. So it looks like he's sticking out his tongue. Now I want to make a big wavy leaf over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a line that's going to go out and then in, out and then in, and then we're just going to come up and down. Then I'll do that same thing, out and then in, out and then in. I'll make this one a little winky face. So I'll do that same eye, we'll go in and out. We'll make a circle for the other eye with a little dot in there. And then I'll make a little line that comes across, and then we'll go down and up with a little curve. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw another wavy leaf, but this one's going to have small bumps. So I'm just going to make some small little waves here that come up. May come to a point, and then I'll make some small little waves right here. I'll just make a simple face on here, so I'll just make a circle and then another circle. I'll make a little dot inside each one, and then we'll make that simple mouth. We'll go over and up and a little curve across. Now over here I want to make a three-pointed leaf. I'm going to start by drawing a line that comes up to a point, and then I'll bring it down. Then I'll bring another one to a point and then down here. And then one more to a point and down. Right here, I'm going to make a circle for an eye, and then another circle for an eye. I'll put a little black dot inside each one with a little line across. Now for this leaf, let's just make an easy one. Let's draw a line that's going to curve up here. And then I'll bring this back down to here. This one will make a cute face, so I'm going to put a circle in right here on each side. I'll make a half circle inside each one, and then we'll just color this in. Then I'm going to make 2 little bumps for a mouth. Now over here, let's make another leaf. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and down with a point. I'm going to come up and down with a point, and then up here. Come down with a point like this. And then I'm going to go out with a couple points like this. Now I'm going to make this leaf kind of sleepy, so I'm going to draw 2 little smiley faces for eyes. And then I'm going to make a mouth that's just going to curve around and come up with a little curved line in here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down, and I'm going to bring this line down. Then I like to add a few little extra leaves on here, so I'm going to make a couple little curvy leaves right around here. So just make some different little leaf shapes. And I'm going to kind of do like an odd number of leaves. Then we'll just make some little lines on them with the stems. And there you go. There is your drawing of a fall leaf surprise fold. So when I have it all folded up, I've got a little happy leaf. And then when I open it up, there are a bunch of little leaves inside. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.